In this video, I'll be showing you how you can recover your Snapchat account even with forgotten password. But before you can do this, first of all, you must have to remember the email address or the phone number that was used to create the account. That's to say, you must remember one of these things, the phone number or the email that is linked to that account. If not, you can't be able to recover your accounts back. Okay, so guys, now let's get in. Now on your phone, come here and tap and open Snapchat app. If it opens, you can see here login. Tap on login. And from here, you can come here and put your phone number and password and login. And also, you can use your email or username to login by tapping here to switch to email or username. So I will tap to switch back to phone number. So I'll come here and put my phone number that is linked to my Snapchat account to login. If I put my phone number, let me say for instance, I'll come here and put my password, for instance. I put my password, but if I tap on this login, they will tell me that incorrect password. You can see. So right now, how do I recover my accounts back? By creating a new password or by resetting a new password. So come here and tap on this forgot your password. And you can see, please choose how you want to reset your password. You can choose via phone number, this phone number here, or via email, the email that you link to your Snapchat account. For me, I will choose via email. I will tap right here. So on this page here, you can see that they will say confirm your email. So if you confirm your email, come here and tap on this send confirmation code. Tap here. And you can see that right now they have sent a code to the email or to this email right here. So right now I'll go to my email to fetch or to copy the code and come here and enter it. I will close here. Then go to my Gmail account. I'll tap on my Gmail. You can see that right now it just sent me Team Snapchat. I'll tap here. Okay, so right here is the code. I can just copy the or type the code here and then go there and put it. Then I can close here. Then go to Snapchat. Tap and open Snapchat. Come here and enter the code. Then automatically it's processing. You can see that right now I have logged in my Snapchat automatically. Yes, my face. You can see me right. So right now I've been able to recover my Snapchat account with my email. You can see even with that password. So right now my account has been recovered. I can tap right there on this my eye on this profile icon. You can see that here's my account. Collins Egoch, and my account has been recovered. You can see. But however, if you try this method and you still weren't able to recover your account, then close Snapchat. Then go to browser, any browser, Chrome or anyone, tap on it. Then come to the search bar here and enter this, enter support. You can see here support.snapchat.com. Enter it. Then you get this, you will see here help.snapchat.com. Just tap on this Snapchat support and you go to Snapchat official support page where you can lay a complaint, and you can see here how can we help you. So you can scroll down and you can see right here I can't access my account. So tap on this option 3 here, and on this page here you can see that I can't access my account. So scroll down and look for where you will say you forgot your password. You can see here on this option here, I forgot my password. So tap here because you forgot your password. So tap right here, I forgot my password. Then you get this menu down here. You can see find out if you are eligible to reset your password below. Now read this. For security reasons, we are unable to reset a password for an account if, you can see option 1, your account does not have an associated email address or mobile number. 2, if you do not know the associated email address and or mobile number. And 3, if you do not have access to the email address and or mobile number linked to the account. So You see, before you can recover your account, you must know one of these, either your phone number or the email that is being linked to that account. So if you know either your email or phone number, you can come here and tap on this here. You can see if you're eligible to reset your password, go here. So tap on this clickable here and it takes you to a different page. It's loading. And you can see on this page here, I forgot my password. How do I reset? So you can see, you can read or go through all this. You can see that I want to reset my password in a web browser, or I want to reset my password from the Snapchat login screen. You can choose any one. You can choose this option 1. I want to reset my password in a web browser. Just tap on this one and you will see that to do this, you can see number 1, visit the Snapchat account portal at, you can see here accounts.snapchat.com. So you can see all this. You can tap right here accounts.snapchat.com and follow all the processes and you'll get your account recovered. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching and bye.